Hi everyone, my name is Ava Marsh and I'm a licensed cosmetologist, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do glam waves with the slick part. This is going to be our model today. This is my doll head. Got her off Amazon. This is a very popular hairstyle. It was a really popular hairstyle for the 2022 bridal season, and I'm seeing a lot of girls do this hairstyle for prom. So if you were wondering how you do this at home or on another person, just keep watching this video. Okay, so for prep, I use a teasing brush all the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a zigzag part right behind her ears. Then I'm gonna go ahead and clip that out of the way. Same thing on the other side. So now we have this back section here. Then I'm gonna section right where the nape is to start. And it really just depends how big of a curl you want. But I'm gonna just do right here, right where those ears end on the doll head, and just have about this much hair. So I'm gonna prep by using Working Spray by Kenra. It's my favorite prepping spray. I use this throughout the whole style. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my section. And just do a light mist, nothing crazy, kind of smooth it. And then for my curls, I'm gonna be using the 1-inch Bio-Ionic curling iron. For glam waves, you're gonna use the curling iron like a wand and not using the clamp. So everything's gonna go one way and it's gonna go away from the face. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my first section and twist it around the barrel. Be careful not to burn your fingers. I'm gonna go ahead and hold it there. Then let it go. The main thing with glam waves is you kind of want them all the same size. So the sections that you're taking, make sure that they're all the same size. Okay, so we have our first section done. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of working spray and just spray those. Quick mist. I go through a lot of working spray during weddings because I use it so much, but I'm gonna go ahead and take the next section. We're gonna do this all the way up the head, just curling it like you're using a wand. Prep with working spray. Sometimes I take my iron and I kind of just smooth the hair to prep it, but remember, you're taking the same size sections for all of the pieces that you're doing. Everything's going the same direction away from the face. My iron's at 390, so I don't have to hold it too long, but make sure you're holding it a good amount of time so you're getting all of those curls curled. One of my favorite things to do with glam waves is really recommend clip-in extensions for your bride, because the more hair you have for glam waves, the more volume you're gonna have, and the style is just gonna look a lot better. Okay, so the back is done. Now we're gonna move on to the front. I like to do the front a little bit bigger sections. So this is like right where her eyebrow starts. Prepping it with Kenra working spray. And then remember that everything is going to go away from the face. So smooth and then away from the face. Then I'm just going to split this top section into two right here. Okay. So that's how we're looking so far. And then this is the right side of her face. So since this is the right side of her face, it's gonna go towards her face. So the left side went away, and you're going away around the head. Away around the head. So when you're on the right side of her face, it's towards her face. So I'm gonna take this and curl it towards her face. Prepping. Taking this towards the face. So this is how the front of it should look. This curls away from her face, and this one's towards her face. So once you have that, you want to make sure that you let these sit for a few minutes because you want everything cooled before you brush it out. Now that the curls have cooled, you want to take your flat brush like this. You don't really want to use an open brush like this. Make sure it's like flat and closed. And you're gonna brush everything out. The more you brush, the more diffused they're gonna be. So I just like to take it slow. Just do a couple brushes through. You can already see how they're glamming up. Then I'll take my working spray and I'll spray and kind of use this bottle to create the pattern that you want through the hair and through the curls. May seem weird, but it really works. Now we got something like this. It's giving glam. Okay. This is all about your technique when you're brushing these out and molding them. Now that we have the glam wave part, we're gonna do the slick part. I have her in a middle part. I'm gonna kind of take just, people always like them different, but I like to do like a good right in front of the ear section, maybe a little less thick. And I'll just kind of play around with it in their face shape. So once that's sectioned out, I'm gonna go ahead and clip this. And then make my same section on the other side. And then clip. I'm gonna connect these two underneath here, so I'm gonna need to kind of lift this hair up. Be careful if you're gonna clip it. Try to clip it where the curls will still stay, and it's not gonna be clipped for long, so it's not that big of a deal. Now I'm gonna be taking Kenra's texturizing taffy. This stuff smells like candy. I'm just gonna take some, warm it up in my hands. We're gonna go ahead and take this and mold it through your hands and slick the side. If you have one of these teasing brushes, it works really well for slicking the hair. Once you have it like you want it, you can clip it and leave it there while you do the other side. And take some more texturizing taffy, warm up the product, smooth out the curl, smooth out the front. So then usually I have the client like look down. So you're gonna take this and hair tie it right at the bottom of the neck. Bring them together and hair tie it. You can kind of take your brush and smooth it a little more. Just kind of play with it. It's, you know, however you want the hairstyle. Sometimes I'll take a little more texturizing taffy and kind of just smooth out where it needs to be smoothed. Some brides like a little volume back here, so you can kind of take the crown and like just put some volume throughout.
There's so much to do around here in the summer. You've always been at the beach for this. Yeah. I want to move this stuff in but I waited. You know how it like lasts. Yeah.
And then this is the finished product of the Glam Waves with the slicked part.